Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to restore a document on ClickUp. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and restore a document. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So let's take this document here, for example, on ClickUp. If you click on this document and let's actually go ahead and delete it. In order to restore this document, what you need to do is that on the upper right hand corner, if you click on your profile icon, then go ahead and click on trash. You're going to see that document here. So towards the right of it, you're going to see these three dots and then click on restore. So what it's going to do is that it's actually going to restore your document to the documents tab here. So here's that form and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and restore a document on ClickUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.